I know this might be a bit of a crappy video because I got to do it at night after work. Search and search and search on YouTube. Nobody could give me an example how to tighten the steering and reduce the play in your steering wheel for a 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 3/4 ton solid front axle four-wheel drive. So I'll give you guys a little demonstration. Most of the videos were spot on. I'm just going to show you where you got to go for this guy. If you look right down there, see that down there right underneath the belt, that, if you look at it right straight down there, that is the bolt that you have to loosen. It's actually just a nut. Get some more light down there. See that bolt right there. Looks like it's got a screwdriver slot in the top of it. That's what you're going for. You got to stick a 21mm socket down through there, break it loose, and then what I did is I took a 21mm wrench, put it on the backside, and held it in place. Got up underneath here, took the 21mm wrench. Here's your steering control box right here. Just stuck the wrench up on there, put it in right on top. This is your steering control box right here. Camera's having a hard time focusing a little light, but you see the little big, so I can get it up in there, right there. It's got a screwdriver slot in it. Break the nut loose, use a screwdriver, turn the screw about a quarter turn at a time, retighten the nut back down, go up and check your steering wheel, and that will reduce the play in your actual steering wheel. Hope this video helps. Again, that's a 21mm socket with a flat tip screwdriver slot on top of the screw. Loosen the nut, tighten the screw, tighten the nut. That's on your steering control box. 2013 Dodge Ram 2500, 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel Gen 4.